See this product here, this product right here. A lot of people confuse it with a cement look finish, but it's not a cement look finish. This one here, see this wallpaper here? This is a peel and stick linen look wallpaper, okay? What is this, Ed? Linen wallpaper. This is the product you should put on the wall in your house. Hey guys, how are you? Grab a pen and paper and write this down I'm about to tell you. The best items, the best decorations, really cheap, spending almost nothing so you can decorate your house. By your request, lots of comments here, Ed, make a video with decoration items, decorative stuff, so we can decorate our living room without spending much. So, I brought it for you here now, in this video. Enjoy, and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, alright? Go ahead and like this video because I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Absolutely sure, alright? And leave your comment too. And speaking of all these items that I'm going to show you here now in this video, their purchase links are down below in the description. I'm going to show you, I'm going to give you tips and suggestions for products you can use to decorate your living room. And I'll show you the source where I buy these products too, alright? So, let's go. Let's get to the video. First item, this one right here, costing only RM 150, RM 159.99, RM 160, okay? Multi-purpose sideboard, cheap, perfect for you to put in that corner of your living room. This sideboard here is for you if you want to put that coffee machine, that nice drink you like to have at home, right behind the sofa in that little entryway. Why not? So, it's cheap, RM 160. It's about 1 meter wide, 70 centimeters tall, and 30 centimeters deep. The link is down here in the description. I'll leave the specifications for you as well. And we're already starting with a great price, okay? Want to decorate your house? Want to decorate that corner of your living room, especially the entryway corner, with a sideboard? This little model here is the most recommended. It's the cheapest one. I'll also leave some other models for you down here in the video description, okay? I'll leave 4 models of sideboards for you. This one, which is the cheapest, at RM 160, and some going up to RM 300, a little over RM 300, okay? But they're all affordable, guys. Really affordable for you to decorate. I'm sure you're missing a little sideboard at home, that nice piece of furniture to put your coffee machine on, or some cool decorations right there. Look, let's start strong here to help you decorate your living room, alright? The second item, which is a viral hit, is one of the most requested and chosen of all time. A slatted panel can be made of MDF or even plastic. Who wouldn't want to have a slatted panel on their TV wall or on the side of their bed, right? On a wall in the guest bathroom or in various rooms of your house. Now let's talk specifically about the living room. Slatted panel in your living room. This model I picked out for you here. There are several, okay? There are several links down below in the description. I'm picking out some models here for you. You can buy it in size 1 with a really tall length and a width of 20 to 30 centimeters. So, then you buy the panels, you'll measure the height of your wall, your TV room, and you'll measure the width. You'll see in the specifications in the link I left here that it shows the width of each model you choose. Then you add them up to know how many you'll need for your house. But pay attention. Slatted panels are one of the most requested products. One of the most beautiful decoration styles that clients always ask me for. In new projects, in current projects, and especially when we're revamping the decor of a house or an apartment. It's like, I want a slatted panel, so keep that in mind. Slatted panels are a timeless decoration. I consider it a timeless decoration that will never go out of style. What I always advise you and always say here in the videos is this. Don't overdo it. Don't put slatted panels on this wall, on that wall, on the back wall, on the entry wall. Don't fill everything with slatted panels. Instead, choose one wall, pick a nice color for the slatted panel and put it there. You'll see the luxury and the transformation it will bring to your space, alright? Deal? So, slatted panels. I also left some links for you here, affordable ones, where you can buy and decorate your living room. Glue down vinyl flooring. You don't want to tear up your floor, right? You don't have the money to remove and install new porcelain tiles, but you'd like to change the flooring in your house. Here's this excellent option for you. The only thing you'll need to do to your floor to install glued vinyl flooring, the glued vinyl flooring style, is to even out the grout lines. That's it. You're going to apply a little bit of mortar, some acrylic compound on the grout lines, using a trowel or a spatula to level it out. Because we know that where two tiles meet, there's that little curve, you know? That little dip there, that small depression going down, which will cause waves in your vinyl flooring if you install it directly without treating the grout lines. So level the grout lines first, all right? Acrylic compound mortar, that's fine, and there are some other compounds you can use as well. And then you glue the vinyl flooring directly on top of your floor in your room, and it's cheap. If you compare it to any other type of flooring like porcelain, laminate, or vinyl, traditional glue-down flooring, the kind that uses adhesive and is made of PVC, is going to be much more expensive. If you choose one of these floors, this one, the glued type has the same surfaces, the same designs, and it's much easier. And best of all, pay attention to what I'm about to tell you. You can install it yourself. Okay? You don't need to hire a professional. Just watch some videos here on YouTube. And you'll be able to install this glued vinyl flooring in your living room, your bedroom, the entrance hall, in any room in your house, and you'll spend very little, okay? Renovating the floor and spending very little. Since it's a vinyl floor, it has a very strong adhesive backing, so it will last a long time in your house, and it's even water resistant. You can even wash this floor of yours many times without worry, using this self-adhesive vinyl flooring installed over your existing floor. Linen Ottoman, guys, this product here is one that the last few times I recommended it, people bought a lot and really liked it. About this Ottoman model, I've mentioned it before, and I always say here in the videos on the channel that it's not that colorful Ottoman you're going to put in your house, okay? It's not that green, yellow, blue, or white one. It's not that kind of Ottoman. It's this one here, a linen Ottoman. The same price you would pay for that other Ottoman, you would pay for this one here, okay? Alright, this one is a little more expensive, but when it comes to decorating your house, like I said, you'll spend very little and have beautiful decor. A modern item, something that will complement the decoration of your space, your living room, and it's a very functional product, okay? If you're running out of space in your living room, like I get visitors here, and wow, many times you're missing that little stool, that extra seat anyway, here it is, a linen Ottoman, okay? There are some kits that I left for you here in the description, the links for two, for just one. Guys, 4080 raised 6200. It depends on what you want, okay? I left several links here for you to choose from, but keep this in mind, pay attention. It's not that green or yellow Ottoman with a team logo, with superhero decorations. It's not that one, okay? That one we'll leave for our kids' room, alright? For your living room, your office, your living room, it's this model here that you're going to choose. The linen Ottoman to put in your living room will decorate it, and you're really going to like it. A large planter to decorate your living room, why not? Let's put that cool, beautiful vase right in the corner of our living room. That special touch is missing in your TV room, in your living room. That highlight is missing there. You don't know what to do here, huh? A large planter to decorate that corner of your living room? And if you have time, like I have a little time in my life, in my daily routine, put a real plant there, all right? I like it a lot. But if you don't have time, if you're really busy, working all day, on weekends you like to go out, just put an artificial plant, there's no problem with that. Many people like it, others don't. It's all about your time. If you can care for a real plant, great. If not, just put an artificial one there and a big plant pot. In that little corner, the corner of your living room, there's the TV stand, and then next to your TV stand, right there. Something's missing, man. This corner is empty. Something's missing in my living room. It's missing that touch, that natural vibe. Put a big plant pot there and take the chance to add a plant too, so you can see the difference, the change it will make in your space. For a simple product, a big pot with a plant, you see this product here. This product here, look, a lot of people confuse it with a cement look finish, but it's not a cement finish. This one, look, see this paper here? This is peel and stick linen look wallpaper, okay? What is this, huh? Like linen wallpaper. This is the product you should put on the wall in your house, all right, guys? It's not that floral wallpaper full of decorative patterns that looks like a carnival. That's not the wallpaper you're going to put up. This one, look, this one is in my office. See this one? When you run your hand over it, you get that feeling of touching fabric like linen, all right? This is the product you're going to use. Look, this wallpaper here, this one, it has a cement look finish. But the links down below in the description are models that I use in my projects. For example, to decorate the headboard, the wall behind the bed in the suite, the wall. Most of them, for example, if I mention the slatted panel on the TV wall to you, right? On the other 3 walls, and then like I don't want to paint, I wanted something more interesting. Linen wallpaper in a single color, that nice fabric you want to touch. It's a product that can be cleaned, just a damp cloth with a neutral cleaner, okay? So, here you go. My tip is also not that colorful wallpaper that looks like a carnival. It's this style here that you should choose. And the links to where you can buy the models I'm showing you here are down below in the description of this video. So, don't make excuses now for not decorating your house while spending very little, spending only what's necessary. Don't make excuses. All these products I just showed you in this video, the links are down below in the description. They're affordable products, they're modern products, they're timeless products that, in my opinion, will never go out of style. All right? You might disagree with me or not, that's totally fine, you can agree too, but these are products you'll always be able to use as decoration in your home. You'll be able to decorate your living room. Products that you'll get real use out of, like for example, the console table or the Ottoman, these are products you'll always be using in your daily life. Functional. And you'll be able to spend very little to decorate the spaces in your home, especially your living room. So, this video is a request from you guys. It's a special video so you won't make excuses about decorating your home, especially your living room. Did you like it? Did you enjoy this video here? I'm sure you did. I told you it'd be worth liking. So, if you forgot to leave a like at the beginning of the video, leave it now, like this video, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in our next video. Take care.